don't like you say things were so mean. Then you tell me say your things you don't mean.
The first thing that I'm gonna start off with, which is just this tan dress. This is what it looks like. If I do a whole turn, yep. I really like this dress. I think I have it in a size medium or small. Like, I would check, but yeah, I like it. It looks really, really good, I think. I'm not wearing a bra with it. It fits really nice. And I think it's overall really cute. It's ribbed and it's kind of thick, but it's still like very breathable. Yeah. And I like the straps. It's a curved neckline, so I like it. The next I'm going to show you is another dress. This one was $14.90, and I think this one was like $9 or $7 something. But this really brown one is $14.90. I really, really like it. So hold on a minute. This is what this one looks like. Again, it's $14.90 and it's button up and ribbed. And it has this front slit in the middle, which I really, really like. Yeah, I'm not wearing any bra with this one again. But yeah, so this is what it looks like from the side. And then from the back. And from the other side. This one is really thin, but it's not see-through type thin. It's just a very like breathable thin compared to the last one, which was a bit thicker. You guys, this sweater top. It's like a knitted top. And what I'm gonna do is just throw it over this dress because it looks really good as a skirt. Not as a skirt. It looks really good over the dress. It makes the dress look like the dress is a skirt. So. Yeah, this is how I wear it. It is kind of big, even though it is, I don't know. I think it's definitely not a, hold up. It's a medium, but it fits really large. But I like it. I like it a lot. I'm definitely not gonna only wear it over this dress. I'm gonna wear it with like other stuff, and I'll show you. But it is very matte, like mesh. I feel like you can wear it in warm places, like if you wear a long sleeve, whatever underneath it. But I'm in Jamaica right now, and I plan to wear it just as is with a bra underneath. Like if I go to the beach late at night, I feel like this would be perfect because it's warm, but the wind, you know? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to the other items, which are just tops and some shorts, some legging shorts that's really in. So stay tuned. Hold up. So these are the tights. I don't know if I should wear this top. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna change the top. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one of the top along with a couple of the tights. I have navy, I have white, and I have this brown. And don't mind my pudge, my guts. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just wearing this top, but I normally wear it with an oversized t-shirt because I don't want to wear it out like just this. But this is what it looks like. And it sucks you right in. It sucks me in. It makes me snatched. But anyways, I'm gonna try on the other ones and come in and show you guys what they look like. Because this is a small. I couldn't find a medium anywhere. I could barely find a medium in these ones, and I wanted a black, but I couldn't find any blacks. Like all they have, like I checked 2 stores and all they had was one large black one, and then the other stores none. Because they're really cheap. They're $3.90, so why not? And this top is really cheap. I think it was like $6 or $7. I really like it. I like how it has this like side, it arches and the sides. And the buttons are fake. They don't open up, even though it looks like it does. It doesn't open up. but I really like this top as well. So here's the white. Here's the white. The white is in a size medium, so it fits a lot more loose than the brown, which is in a small. Yeah. This is the blue, which I think goes really well with this burnt orange color. Copper, I think this is copper. Yes, this is blue. Again, in a medium. This is what it looks like from the back. And then from the sides. Yep. So this is one of the other tops. This is in a mustard, and it's a crop top. It has a bow in the front. This one was $7.90, and I really like it because I don't have to wear a bra with it because it holds me up pretty well, as you guys can see. So this is it. I like it a lot, and it's really cheap. Forever 21 is really cheap. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yep. I like it a lot. But again, it's in a large, and I feel like the large fits perfectly. So the other top I'll show you is this one right here, which is another crop top. And these are all crop tops, to be honest, because that's what I love to wear. This one was $8.90, and this one is in a medium. So I'll show you that. The other top, I'm gonna cover my nips because I don't want to get like any censoring from YouTube for nudity, which is not nudity, but anyways. This is the top. This is what it looks like. It has frills on the front, and it's cropped, but it's like a longer cropped top than the rest. I really like it because I feel like this style has been very popular in the past couple months with the frills, and it goes straight across and very thin straps. I like it, but even though the straps are thin, it holds me up pretty well, and I think they're adjustable. Let me check. Yeah, they're adjustable. In the back, I really like it. This one was $8.90. I think I already told you that. But yeah, it's thin, and I really, really like it. The next top is this one. This one is very thin, so I'm gonna grab a little bra and put on a bra. But this is it. It's really thin and it's cropped, and this one was $7.90, and it's in a medium. Very, very thin, so give me a minute. So this is the last item, and it's another crop top that I told you guys about that's really thin. I had to put on a bra with this one because this one is very see-through. I plan on wearing a bra with it. I have a bra that matches the color of the top, so I think it looks really, really good with it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It has frills. I don't know how to explain it, but you know the petal cuts at the bottom. I really like it. I think it makes it look very feminine. Yeah, I really like it. I like the lining that it has right in front. It goes down. It kind of gives you a shape to your upper body. I don't know, instead of just being square. Yeah, but anyway, this is the last item. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video. I have another one coming, and I'm very, very hot because it was just raining, so now it's like very humid. But thought I heard someone calling me. But anyways, I have another haul coming, and I'm gonna try to edit this. If you hear echoing, I'm really sorry, but give this video a like, share the video, comment, and please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Let me know if there's anything else that you guys would like to see, or if I can fix anything. But yeah, and check out my vlog videos. I'll be uploading vlogs almost every day, or maybe I'll do it every week. But right now I'm rambling. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.